Hey, here's a quick question for you. Can you really get paid to do Amazon reviews? Hey, I know you must be thinking this is a scam. This doesn't work. It is a waste of time. Hey, this is actually legit. I'm going to show you how this works. What's going on? My name is Ibrahim Umar, also Nasiru Dabi. There are a lot of products you see on Amazon which have got maximum reviews of around 10 to 20 at most. So what these sellers trying to do is trying to reach out to buyers like me and you. They offer their product for free in exchange for our honest opinion. I'm going to tell you how this works, but hey, here's a big question. What if the seller doesn't refund you? What if you're being scammed? As for me, at first I wouldn't try this, but hey, there is no harm in trying. You just have to take the risk. Besides, when you purchase an item on Amazon, you can as well return this item and get your money back. So it's actually very easy, and yeah, you can leave a 1-star review. This is gonna hurt the seller a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you where to find sellers and also pick up deals like this. Alright, it's actually very easy. All you wanna do is just go on Facebook, search for Amazon reviews. You see a lot of groups and also you see a lot of ads saying purchase an item and you'll be refunded after your review has been live. So yeah, this is an opportunity for you to pick up a deal, purchase an item that you've been wanting to purchase, and yeah, you're getting it for free. So the seller is actually gonna ask you when you pick up a deal. Firstly, it's gonna ask you to send a screenshot of your profile. You want to check if you're eligible to leave comment. So yeah, after this, when you send them your profile, when they see you're eligible, the next thing you want to do is give you a keyword in order to search this item. The essence of giving you a keyword is not to make it look suspicious to Amazon, because when you just right away jump on the product and purchase this product, it's gonna look suspicious, and Amazon doesn't promote this. So you have to make it look like a real purchase. That's a real point. When it gives you the keyword and you search for this product, next is gonna tell you is to add this product to checklist. After adding this product to checklist, then the next thing you want to do is purchase this item. After 10 to 20 minutes of shopping around, the next thing you want to do is purchasing this item. When you purchase this item, guess what next? Next you want to do is write a review. When you get this product after 2-3 days, you can write a review. Make sure the review you want to write is an honest review. Even the fact that you got it for free, make sure it's an honest review, because this review is going to be under a lot of eyeballs. Yeah, you have to make it honest, because a lot of people are going to buy this product based on your review. Though you got it for free, but don't go out of the line to write what isn't true. Make sure you write something that is honest. And yeah, people are gonna buy this product based on your review, so you wanna make sure everyone is safe. Amazon doesn't allow this, so it looks kind of not legit. When your review is being suspicious, it's gonna be deleted. Yeah, the essence of this seller doing this is to brush up the items, to make the items appear on the first page. Yeah, when you search this item, it's gonna appear on the first page. So yeah, you wanna get discount on Amazon, or you wanna become an Amazon reviewer, I'm gonna put links down in the description below where you can watch these videos. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video.